In your opinion, ma'am, what's the difference between Filipinas and Western women? How do you envision the Philippines in 10 years? Will most foreigners be disappointed visiting the Philippines who are looking for a good wife? Or do you feel there's still a lot of good women here that are wife material? Do you feel social media will influence and change the Filipinas in a bad way? In your opinion, ma'am, what's the difference between Filipinas and Western women?
In general, so in terms of education, Filipina is more eager, goal-oriented, and career-oriented. Western, I think kasi Western is more dependent. At the age of 18, I think they live in their house to be independent and work on their own. So, yun.
How about when it comes to dating or relationship, courtship?
Mm-mm. Filipina is more conservative. Western women, I think it's not good, but it's liberated.
In your opinion, what's the difference between Filipinas and Western women?
In my opinion, the difference of Filipinas and Western women is when you're courting a Filipinas girl, you need to courting their family, not only the Filipinas girl. Unlike the Western women, they didn't do that.
That's right, actually. Yeah, a lot of Filipinas, especially if you are courting Filipinas from the province, you also have to court the family. Like, you also need their approval. How about you? Do you also do that? Like, for example, if someone is courting you, do you also ask him to, to court your family or to be good for your parents or, get their approval? Do you also do that?
Yes po.
Very Filipina. Okay. So that's the difference between Filipinas and Western women. You really believe that Western women, they don't do that. Like, they don't really ask their parents' approval or they don't really court their parents.
Yes po. Yes po.
Okay, yes. So she really believed that. Will most foreigners be disappointed visiting the Philippines who are looking for a good wife? Or do you feel there's still a lot of good women here that are wife material?
For me, I feel there's a lot of good material in our Philippines because Filipinos is good attitude and didn't care about the money. They care about the attitude of foreigners.
Hmm, there's still Filipinas that are good, especially wife. Are you a wife material?
Yes po.
How can you say are you? Yeah, how can you say you're wife material?
Because when it comes in the house, I will do the household chores and my favorite is cooking and I will do that in my future husband someday.
So that makes you a wife material.
Po.
I mean, that makes her wife material. Become a wife material. All right. Oh, she said she's very shy. Hey, don't worry. Don't be shy. You're so pretty. She's very beautiful. Like, you know what? I really appreciate that she's trying. She's trying her best to speak in English. It's really a green flag. Thank you so much. Thank you. We really appreciate it. She said, Ate, I'm very shy, but we did it. Give me five. So we are in front of the what church is this again?
San Francisco Church.
San Francisco Church, and we found her. I think she's the very first Filipina that I'm going to interview who is kind of like a real example of a provinciana. Like, she's wearing something that is very conservative clothing. Very like, I love her. Anyway, here's my question to you, Be, okay? In your opinion, what's the difference between Filipinas and Western women?
I think that the difference is Filipino women is very conservative family, very conservative women, and I think in the Western women, I think more they're more likely to work. they just focus in their career. But as a woman, as a Filipino woman, we really focus in our family. When we got married, we just focus on one thing. It is our children and our family. So I think that is one of most important, and one of the one thing that I know as a Filipina, but I'm still single actually. So I that's what I see to my mom, and that's what I see to others.
Do you feel social media will influence and change the Filipinas in a bad way?
I think it's not. It because social media can promote tourism here in the Philippines. So Philippines have so many islands here. It's not just in not just a city, but also um like um
To promote.
beaches. Yeah, like beaches and um products and everything. So I think it is not.
So there's nothing that will nothing there's nothing bad about social media that might influence us. Is that what you're trying to say?
Um Not, I think, but I think it's is how they promote it and how um they react. For example, it's like example bashing. It's one of that gives some people anxiety and depression, or it means overthinking. It's that was a example thing of bad way of using social media.
Okay, bashing
Yeah,
or bullying.
yeah, that is.
Okay, yeah, bashing or bullying. That's the only negative way or something like a bad way that will influence or change someone like a Filipina, right?
Yeah,
From using social media.
yeah, it it is. I think.
I think. How do you envision the Philippines in 10 years?
I think it is growing now because our Naga city is in crisis right now, and some of the stores and buildings and um um different places are in flash flood, and I think 10 years from now it is growing city, and also um one of the tourist spot in the Philippines, I think. And I hope that someday it will some people will stand up of what they ano yung ating English katong pag ano?
What they're fighting for, something like that?
Yeah, I think it is.
Okay, how about the Filipinas? In 10 years from now, do you think we Filipinas are going to change and we will become like Western women because of, because of maybe, who knows, because of the influence of the social media?
I think it can be if a woman um if a woman will have um freedom and also dignity, because some of the women is didn't have the same respect that men have.
Okay, I'm confused. But you're saying is yes, right? That there's a possibility that 10 years from now Filipinas might become Western women.
Yes. If a girl focuses on his dream, it can be.
Okay. She's very kind. I really like her. Yeah, we're what do you call this? I bothered her actually. She's selling these beautiful candles, colorful candles, and yeah. Anyway, thank you so much. We really appreciate your time. Thank you so much. Hopefully, we earn your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.
Beautiful reflections